The importance of communication is talked about often, from in-person to virtual to hybrid environments. What the experience is can make the difference in success or failure, and in some cases, life or death. For one such company that specialized in creating meaningful interactions within the healthcare and life sciences space, they knew implementing the right technology with the right security and protection was paramount. Partnering with managed service provider Syn Ack Fin, they isolated the most important goals of the business, created a design that could grow with the business, and the technology that could be trusted. Using Cambium Network's APs, they created and implemented a network design that ensured their communication was going to be heard by everyone they wanted to reach, without fail. If this doesn't remind you of your typical managed service provider, good, because we are different and proud of it. To learn more, go to getsimpleit.com.